Hello everybody and welcome to another hair product review. So the product that we're looking at today is Groom Premium Quality Styling Fiber. So I had never heard of this product up until 5 days ago, and that is because I was doing some last minute Christmas shopping. I was in my local TJ Maxx, and as I was there I was browsing around, and as I was coming up to the front counter I saw their hair products section. And amongst other things, this one shined above the rest because of one feature, and that is its glorious and beautiful price tag of $4. And I am a sucker for a good deal, so when I saw it that cheap, I didn't care if it was crap or if it was good or if it was whatever, because it was a hair product for $4. So, I've been using it for a couple days, and I would like to show you how it has been. So let's get into it. So before I even start styling my hair, there's one thing that stuck out to me and one thing that you'll notice. If I were to cover this up right here and you'd only saw a few things right here, what does this look like? And if you're thinking American Crew, that'd be correct. I've noticed that as I've never heard of this company, I noticed that they're trying to copy American Crew's marketing, maybe even duping somebody into thinking that it is American Crew, so they buy it because American Crew is such a huge, massive brand name. So that's something that they're trying to go for. Even the fonts that they use up into the side, it has its own kind of old Western kind of steampunk gear type style, but it just screams American Crew. It's the same plastic jars, the identical same plastic jars as American Crew, same size and same kind of style. So, I mean, they were kind of going for that. But either way, this is the product on the inside. It's clear white, or sorry, not clear. It is white. And the scent on it, funny enough, is identical to American Crew's Forming Cream. It's that not very good lemon. That's the best way I could describe it. Kind of like a powdery lemon. I just call it a not very good lemon. And one thing that may be strange to you is looking at that, you're like, hey, wait a minute. This says it's a fiber, but that looks like a cream. And you'd be right. It's one of those marketing blurbs where they just use the word fiber to sell it. It's not really a fiber. When you put it in your hands, it doesn't have fibers in it. It hardly acts like a fiber. It's more like a matte cream or like a paste. So, if you're looking for a fiber, this isn't it. Alright, so that's enough of me talking about the container. And let's get it in my hair. So, I'm going to wet my hair a little bit, just so it's a little bit easier to go in. And like I said, I've been using it for a couple days, so I've been able to give it a fair chance. And overall, you'll see I'll be coming back to at the end. The real value in this product is in the value, and that it's $4. Alright, so it scoops out really, really easy, nice and simple, really cream-like. And the breakdown is simple and easy in the hands, but it does have do that thing where a lot of pastes and creams do, where it makes your hands white, but it'll go away as you rub it in your hair, which is proof to me that this is not a fiber. Like, as you can see, there's nothing to it. There's nothing fibrous about it. It's just called a fiber as a marketing blurb to get people to buy it, which is a shame. But regardless, if you were to look at it not as a fiber, but as a paste or a cream or a matte something or other, it's just fine. But breakdown is nice and easy, goes in the hair really simple, and here's a good one, you can see. And this is because it is a product that can be used for clean or looser styles. You can use less if you want to have your hair be a little bit more texturized. And I have to say, this stuff does do a good job at giving some nice texture. As you can see in my hair right now, just by putting it in, you can see it's given some great differentiated texture right now, just as is without combing. So if I were to, for example, just have it in my hair like so, and just kind of swerve it to the side, and just kind of comb it back. Of course, I wouldn't go out like this, but if you wanted, you can see that it's texturized, and it goes in a smooth motion, and it'll firm up a little bit because it's water-based. So As you can see, if you like a more texturized, natural look, it does the job. It does what it should do, which is a good thing. All right, now it is in my hair. I'm going to comb it back. And comes back really easily and comes back nice. And it just really does its job. And like I was saying, if you want to go with a more looser, I have a really wide toothbrush like the one I always use. And it'll work just fine, giving you some natural form and structure to your hair. And does, just once again, it does exactly what a matte cream paste should do. It does that. It does not do what a fiber does. It's more of what a matte cream should do, but does a good job at it. So because of the nature of the product, I'm going to have to put in a little bit more water to give my hair some more differentiation so I can put a part in. Alright, so it's holding the part nicely, and that's just because I added water to it. And normally with a product like this, it's not intended to be weighted down with water because it's supposed to be more natural and texturized. But the way I like to do my hair, I put that in there just so I can give myself a part that I can put in there, and then it'll dry up and look more natural as it dries. So for right now, I just separate it so it can look a lot cleaner. But now I just put a brush through it, and given the nature of the product, it just styles up just nicely and naturally and very loose, not very structured, and just does what a matte product should do. And I am about done. So there we go. So hair looks pretty good, and sum it up, this is a good product. It is good. It does exactly what it should do when it comes to a matte cream. But does this do what it should do being called a fiber? No. If you're buying this looking to get a fiber, you will be disappointed. It is not a fibrous product. It is a matte cream and more of a paste. So if you're going into this and you don't exactly know what you're going for, know that they kind of lied with saying what the product is. But if you go into it knowing that you got it for $4 and expecting something a little bit higher than average for a quality in a product, it's good. It's definitely worth the price tag of $4. Now, before I went into this review, I looked up online just to see, out of curiosity, how much it normally is. This stuff's normally like $12, $13. I'm like, ooh. And even at TJ Maxx, they lied as well. It said compared to $5. They said this is originally $5. I don't know where they got that price. I don't know where it came from, but online, on Amazon, it says 12 or 13. So it's expensive online, and that is way too much, I think, for something this simple of a product. You can have other alternatives for the same price that are just as good, if not better, from higher quality brands. So if you're going to go for this brand that's obscure and weird and, you know, just looks like it's ripping off American Crew, might as well just get the nice stuff. Get something like an all-natural or something home-brewed, and don't go for this, you know, corporate chemical-filled junk if you're going to go for something that expensive. But $4, heck yeah! If you know there's a TJ Maxx around where you have and they have it, heck yeah, it'd be really, really a good buy and a good pickup. Great throwaway if you don't really care about what your hair looks like that day, you just want to throw it away and just throw something in there because you don't really care. Awesome, awesome buy. I would recommend it for that because it does what it's supposed to do, but not the full price tag. So, if anything, that's how I'd sum it up. So that is Groom Premium Quality Styling Fiber. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll make sure to get back to as many of you as I can, but for now, goodbye.